Hey peeps, welcome back. So this is the second and last Halloween video I'm going to be filming for this year. I'm really sad because I enjoyed the other one so much, and I actually just filmed it. So these aren't going to go up on the same day obviously, but if you notice anything pink, it's because I probably just have remnants of the last look. So I had to quickly recharge my battery and come back and film. Hopefully this battery lasts the whole video, so I'm going to be quick. This video is so simple. You're literally going to use like 5 things. You can get everything you need in Nigeria and it's not going to take you a long time. So like the other one, I put on my foundation and my concealer, so I'm starting with a pretty clean base, and yeah, let's just get into it. Oh, before we start the video, happy Halloween, ha 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 ha, and make sure you're subscribed, because if you're not subscribed but you're watching my videos, you're in a real one. Okay, so to start off with this look, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just taking like a nice warm neutral brown, so this color. I hate palettes that don't have names on the front. So yeah, literally just a neutral brown, just like a transition crease color, like I'm doing a normal eyeshadow look. Okay, done. Simple, quick, nothing too much. Okay, next I'm going in with just a flat brush, and I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and just put that along my waterline sort of before I blend it out. So like this. I'm basically going to just do a smoky eye. So I don't take it in too much to the corner or too out, so that when I blend it doesn't get all disorganized. Blending brush, nothing too big so you can kind of control the blend. But I did something so similar to this in my Kim Kardashian Met look. It's basically just blending out this black sort of into your eye. Yeah, underneath my eyes are so red still from the other eyeshadow. Next, I'm just going to use some wing liner and give myself a little bit of a cat wing type thing. Obviously. So you want it to be like that. Obviously, bear in mind that this is not like a precise, neat, smoky eye wing liner look. It's actually a Halloween look, so it doesn't need to look too perfect. Your lines don't need to be perfect. Okay, I just went over that with my MAC Liquid Last eyeliner, because it's just really black. Really black. Okay, so quickly what I'm going to do is just put on my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, we are now cooking with gas. Okay, so in my last video I used these this like little push-up crayon. I got this from Mega Plaza for 1,299 naira. There's this one, the black one, red, yellow, and blue. So I only need the white today. So what I'm gonna do is, this is actually where the look starts. Yay! I'm gonna put this underneath my eye to make my eye look bigger. Okay, don't I look so strange? Okay, so after this, the next step is to just take your black eyeliner and sort of go underneath as you would like if it was your natural eye. So just kind of make that be your, like where your eye would, your waterline would be. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, after you've done this, you now want to like kind of add in some eyelashes. Can you see? Love it. Literally, the look is pretty much done. It's so simple. Because I know like Halloween looks aren't always like wearable. And on my channel, I like to do stuff that's wearable because, first of all, in Nigeria, we don't do all that bloody mess. People aren't really about that. People are about the glam, about looking cute. So I'm trying to make these looks stuff that are actually wearable to the club, to a party, to a house party, you know, and that doesn't take too much investment and time. Okay, so the next thing is lipstick, and I'm using black lipstick. This is called Pitch Black Bold color 888. by Maybelline, and you can actually get this in Nigeria also. Okay, this black isn't quite dark enough for me, so I'm just gonna add in Sonari by Jax Cosmetics. This is just this is a black like liquid lipstick, and it's just gonna, you know, sort of dry matte and keep this, you can already tell off one coat, it's just amazing. Okay, after we've done this, the next thing we're gonna go is take our eyeliner and draw 2 lines going like that, like stitches. So 2 lines like this, and then you're just pretty much gonna like draw two lines going across like that. Okay, that is it. That is the finished look. So I'm just gonna show you guys how, you know, the whole thing came out and how it looks.